Tighten seat belts by pulling loose end to unfasten, lift up a buckle, and pull free end to release. In an event of a water landing, your individual life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tapes around the waist and push ends to buckle. Now pull the tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, jerk inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation tubes are found on both sides. Blow to increase air and push pins inwards to release air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a criminal offense. The cabin is pressurized. For guests requiring oxygen during a decompression, the cabin attendant will provide a release tool. When this happens, insert the release tool into the pinhole, grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin attendant shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. Please take note of the emergency exits marked along each side of the cabin and the exit nearest you. For further information, please refer to the safety instruction card found in the seat pocket in front of you. This aircraft is equipped with an escape path lighting system. In case of an emergency evacuation, the lights will illuminate, leading you to the exits. Please be advised that this is a non-smoking flight. Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations require strict observance of the lighted passenger information signs, such as the no smoking and the fasten seatbelt signs. We would like to remind all our guests that the use of any portable electronic devices, such as cellular phones, TV receivers, radio transmitters, compact displayers, remote control toys, are strictly prohibited as these may affect the communication and navigational system in the flight deck. Electronic devices such as laptop computers, iPods, MP3 players, and other handheld gaming consoles may be used but must be turned on only after takeoff when the seatbelt sign has been switched off. These devices must be switched off prior to landing when the seatbelt sign is turned on. We shall be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seat back, make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, and your tray tables stowed. We would like to request all guests seated by the window to please open the window shades for safety reasons. Group for departure.